The SVS extension identifies a Game Boy Advance save state. It functions as a real-time snapshot of an emulated game's progress. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's get you back to exactly where you left off in your game. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange SVS formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. An SVS file is associated with two distinct formats. First, it can represent a saved game state from a Game Boy or Game Boy Color emulator, preserving the player's progress. Second, it can be a slide image format, potentially used in older presentation software or image viewers. The context usually determines the file's true nature. When an SVS file is a Game Boy save, it contains a memory dump of the emulated system's RAM at a specific point in time. This allows users to resume gameplay from where they left off. As a slide image, the SVS format likely stores pixel data and metadata related to the image's dimensions, color depth, and compression method, if any. To validate SVS without guessing, try Game Boy emulators or image viewers first. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows offers a basic overview, but the actual data must be interpreted through the correct application. Right-click the SVS file and choose Open With. If you see a category-appropriate option, for example, Game Boy emulators or image viewers, try that first. Otherwise, test a few different apps from the list. When your SVS file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, use GBA Emulator. Open the corresponding Game Boy Advance emulator, e.g. Visual Boy Advance, and load the ROM file. Next, load save slot. In the emulator, use the Load Game or Load Save Slot menu option to access the file. Finally, check ROM name. Ensure the SVS file is correctly named to match the ROM file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.